Breathe करना, breathe out. Okay, good. Relax, relax. Take it easy. Breathe करो, breathe out. Okay. You also crack yourself?
No.
Come on your tummy. Very good. Perfect. Out. Easy. Breathe करो. Breathe out. Good. Breathe. Breathe out. Yes. Breathe. Breathe out. Right. You normally have flexibility issues, or is it just now?
Yeah, I did.
Earlier also. Breathe out slowly, nice and easy. Chin again. Breathe. Breathe out. That's it. Bahar. Perfect. Easy. Very nice. Loose. Okay, relax करो. Loose. Easy. Loose छोड़ना. Awesome. बस. बाहर. Nice and easy. सामने देखो. सामने. Awesome. Good?
Yeah.
Perfect. Relax. Straight. So I'm sharing some stretching exercises for your neck and low back area. Okay. Follow that. And what you can do is, you can see me after a week's time once again.
Okay.